Good morning, YouTube. Say hi, Heidi.
Morning.
We have been doing nothing this morning. We just got up not that long ago. Heidi's been sleeping in a little bit longer than she normally does. Not by much, though. And I actually been getting up earlier than I normally do.
What have you been up to?
I've been riding on a daydream.
It's kind of odd. But then again, I've been going to bed earlier. So a lot of these days you could see what's happened is we're not necessarily doing a lot. We're trying to just relax and enjoy ourselves. This was not a vacation trip that we were going to go sightsee and do everything. We just wanted to show you, basically what goes on for most people when they go camping, right? So we had some visitors that stopped yesterday. Gail and his wife Chris, they're out of the Akron area. They swung by to say hi. Glad to see you guys. And my feet were swollen up, so I had my feet propped up on the couch the whole time here. It's kind of nice. I mean, everybody still had a place to sit. That was kind of cool. And we've also talked to our neighbor again. He came over. Pat and Cat is what they go by. But anyways, yeah, they're getting ready to travel to Wisconsin, right?
Yes.
They are full-timers. They do work camping. And they're going to be here when we leave, but they're going to be leaving shortly after that, probably in about another week or so after we leave. The rain came and went a little bit. It's relatively humid. Last night was okay. It wasn't too bad. So I'm editing video. What a surprise. I'm trying to squeeze together a few days here. You've already seen them. You know, if you're watching these videos in order, I'm putting a few days together there. Yeah. We also hung out with Greg and Karen again yesterday. That was kind of cool. Just up at their place for a little bit. And then we went up to the bar and we had a pizza. We shared a pizza because our stomachs were a little uneasy because I think we're eating a lot of junk food. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It's a fact.
So I'm going to go back to editing. Heidi's got her stuff she's doing. She actually has to finish up a video that she's doing a review on our mattress. It's a bamboo mattress topper or something like that.
Removable pillow top.
Ah, yes. She knows. I don't. I just sleep on it and tell her what I think. So that's what we're doing. Hopefully we've got more. Honestly, though, we don't have anything planned. So you can see the videos we're cramming together a few days. On this one here, I'm not sure exactly what days I've included. However, we will be heading out tomorrow and back to the homestead. We might actually have to squeeze out tonight. We haven't figured that out yet because we have some important stuff to do early in the morning or be available early in the morning back at the house. And I don't know if we can make it work. We'll just have to see. So for now, ta-ta. And we'll pick this up later.
So we're getting ready to hit the road.
Yeah, it's Sunday.
Sunday we're leaving a little early because we get
A package.
a package to accept.
Yeah. I don't remember if I mentioned that or not.
You just made mention of.
It's a signature required, and they didn't let us know. And instead of coming from Washington, where the suppliers from, they shipped it from a warehouse in Indiana, so it came here in like 2 days, and they've been attempting to deliver it every day, and now we're on our last delivery, so we got to be there. They're going to send it back, and we're going to get charged for shipping.
That wouldn't be good.
It's free shipping.
But not to ship it back to us.
I'll ship it back. Here you go.
Okay. Whoa, that looks like a disaster in that box there.
sit in the front.
Oh, you're cheating. Yeah. Wouldn't want to carry it around town. You gonna be able to part ways with that plastic when we get home?
Absolutely. Unless this becomes an issue.
It looks good though.
Yeah, just how it's so.
Yeah, I didn't expect it to be dry
This is
when we were done with it.
bad.
Oh, I didn't push stuff over there. That's good. Oh, we get yelled at for not running the camera right. That's all there is?
Yeah,
Is
so
that?
there's right here. There's
I'll get them. Bye!
all right.
See ya!
You're all set. Let's go.
Voice command. Stop. Exit.
Stay to the left.
Back where it needs to be. And one thing we forgot to do, and we drove all the way home with our step light on. Which it really don't make a difference, but yeah, we're gonna need to turn that off. Oh, we forgot that meth lab foil too. Look,
Oh, that
it's
looks
just taped
good.
there. Yeah, that looks real special.
Looks real professional.
So we're back, and yeah, it was uneventful. And Heidi, this is the first time she really got to ride with the, oh, wow. Oh, feel that. Just put your hand right here.
I could smell it.
Wow, it's so hot. Had the air conditioner on and just sitting here idling. So How smooth was that ride?
Very smooth.
I mean, it was
Like there
really.
wasn't anything back there.
We went down this road here. There's some undulations in the road. The road is asphalt and it's soft, and it goes up and down, but only on the one side. And this thing didn't even.
Couldn't even tell it.
It was amazing. So there's no doubt that the hitch is dialed in. And I told Heidi, I said, we are ready to go, like go on a big trip somewhere long, like 4,000 miles long. But
Fortunately, won't be this year because I don't have enough vacation.
yeah, she don't have any vacation, so that'll be me. And I'll send her a postcard or two along the way.
He's not gonna do that.
I'm not going to do that.
likes the
I'll only
man
send
to
her
do it,
2
but-
postcards.
Jerk.
So anyways, we're back. We've got to go ahead and level it from front to rear, put the stabilizers down, and then get the steps down because there's...
I got laundry. I got laundry to do.
Yeah, and I don't have...
I don't like to leave that in.
I don't think that I can run the air conditioner. I can't run the air conditioner off of the outlet that's in here because it's about a 20 amp outlet, and I don't want to run the air conditioners on that. Or we could stay the night out in the RV one more time because all of our shit's out here anyways. There's water in it. It always makes it easier when we come back, and we do that for like the first night back. So anyways, we're done with our trip, and hopefully I get this video up in the next couple days. So hopefully we didn't make that too boring. Obviously though, we did a lot of boring stuff. We just sat around. We just did what most people do when they go camping. We'll be more entertaining when we're somewhere that we actually want to go to explore the area more, but
That wasn't one of them.
that was not one of them. We just wanted to kind of hang out, and that was... You're going to find that. The campground that we went to in Dale Hollow was the same way. It was one of those that you just hung out. After we explored what that park had to offer, and we could have been out of there after 3 or 4 days and been happy, but we're home. So guess what?
As always, hope to see you out there.
Out there.
Bye.
Yeah, out there. Bye.
Yeah, not here.
Bye.